Daddy's all done with school. School's out?
Thursday's her last day. And then I'm taking her to work. And her mother will pick her up.
That's a girl. Nice pace. Looking at the barn, heels down and squeeze. Get those squeezers going. That's a much better trot. Change your diagonal. Eyes are up. And press. Here you go. A little more. A little more. Kick. Use your stick right now. Reach back. There you go. Bend her nose to the inside. Get to stay out and get her eye on the watermelon jump. You're going to look at it before you turn. Look at it. Turn your head, but stay out and find a straight ride to the middle or slightly left. Looking for your gap. See where Chrissy is? There you go. Eyes up. Grab mane. Yes, good girl. All right, that was nicely done. Give her a big pat. Good for you. You didn't pull your left rein or she would have thought that was a bending line, huh?